Hey yo, Christmas time. I'm in my prime. Time to bust my Christmas rhyme. Some like turkey, some like ham. I'll let y'all know. Integra getting some cams. I'm not gonna be a rapper. I know it. But with that said, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages, that's right. The Integra is getting some cams. So I gotta put my hat on right, I gotta make it be known. Definitely want to give a big shout out to my guy Justin Duke out here at I always want to say Extreme Performance, but it's X Performance. He reached out, had a great deal on some cams, and as some of you know, I've always wanted a yellow Integra that revved really high. So it revs really high right now, and it's broken still, as you can see. I mean, the front end's still a little damaged from the Road America incident. However, it is running and driving fine. So, anyway, but this is going to be one of the key components to helping me rev pretty high and actually small amount of horsepower. Very, very small, minute. So excited. I can't wait to hear how these things sound. It's gonna be super great. Just got them in. Super excited. Really excited still. Definitely. So make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel. If you ain't already subscribed, hopefully you're watching this right now on my YouTube and you already subscribed. But it's gonna be a series of events of installing these things. So I'll have the guy Dan Calabrese, C Breezy, my Neezy. He'll be helping with the install because he's the only person I know that has like his his cam profile spec memorized. He just shouted off at work one day, and I was like, "What are you talking about?" He's like, "That's my cam profile, my GTO." But legit and lit. That's the guy. That's the type of dude you want to help you do some stuff. On the follow ups, I'll be having Bob from RC Auto Works, of course, the homie tuning this. He tuned it with the original Type R. Well, with the Type R motor it has in it now. And was able to squeeze out 195. I don't know if you guys seen that. I think I did post it up. I'm not sure if I did, but if not, I'll post another video because it's good. Screams it out real good, nice. Did the fantastic job on the mid-range power there. Also leading me to help me get that 2018 championship. Shout out Bob. Definitely gonna have him tuning it though. It's gonna be really good. Let's see here. I actually got a list of people here. Gonna have my buddy Dom actually take a ride in the car. He hasn't been in this car since it was non-VTEC. So I'm gonna have him take a ride in the car with just the Type R motor in it now, or as it sits now, and then I'm gonna have him take a ride in it after the cams, and then give his impression. Awesome. I'm gonna have Kevin Kohei, the homie, Round 3 Racing. I'm gonna have him actually drive the car. I mean, Dom could drive it too. Anybody could drive the car if they really want to. I'm gonna have him drive the car since he's driven it on track and he's pretty novice. No offense, Kevin. No offense. You got braces, bro. You novice. But he's gonna drive it on track since he's driven it on at Gingerman before already, and see what he thinks of it and how it's made a difference, and see if he can actually extract and go faster in the car. That's the challenge now. Definitely going to be, hollering at Mark for 1.6, getting some miscellaneous parts because that man keeps O-rings and gaskets in stock for them. Like when you randomly just need like just one O-ring, So definitely going to be hollering at him. Obviously, Hard Times Racing, all the crew, they're going to be coming by, probably making an appearance in it somehow, some way, shape, or form. Those are the guys, crew. I mean, race team, I should say the crew. It sounds illegal. But, definitely gotta have Seb from Seb's Garage. Obviously, he's gonna get in the car and have fun and whatever else. I mean, hopefully we have a better time than we had in Atlanta and Road America and a few other places. But anyway, actually no, we have a great ass time together. But that's the homie too. So with that said, hopefully you guys are subscribed to the channel. Also, shout out to my neighbor Gary, my old neighbor Gary Gildy. Hopefully you watch it this far, Gary, because I'm shouting you out. He's the old guy that always comments on all my my posts and says something, like just mean, just But old drag racer, he always told me to get cams. Now I have cams, Gary. Now we're gonna rev out. So I'll do an unboxing video. Everything will be nice and good. And with that said, SK out. Over 3 minutes, but it is what it is. SK out. 1.